Ganda Vatos, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast. I'm about to install this SNS air breather on my Roadster, Sportster, and just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. Just to, let you guys know what's in it and what to expect when you're buying this product. And of course, we have some instructions, carb ID. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty straightforward. I already have the other SNS air breather teardrop stealth stinger, and I have that on my Lowrider S. And this is what you get. We get the hardware, some stickers, a little gasket for your throttle body, the actual filter itself, high quality, high airflow air filter, air breather. Of course, made in America, made in the United States. And there she is, man. You know what, this seems a little bit bigger. I don't know. You know what, I guess it's the same size as my Lowrider. It's the mini teardrop. Alright, so this is going to go in the Sportster. I'm going chrome on this one. You guys see my other build. It's all blacked out. We have the hardware. Here's your air breathers, your external breather bolts. And we have some shims right here just to make sure you have full contact. And well, yeah, this is all metal. It's all high quality stuff. And I don't know, I'm thinking about doing an external air breather on this as well, so I might use the stock bolts and maybe I'll run that until I get my lines in and everything else. So let's go ahead and just do a regular install, and maybe I'll do a separate video on the external air breather just to kind of give you guys two options. So let's go ahead and install this, and that's what's in it. So in case you're wondering, everything you need. I wonder, oh, okay, I guess this is the gasket for the back, of course, right here. How does this go? I think there should be another gasket, right? Another O-ring. I know the Lowrider S has one right here. Maybe this is it. I don't know, maybe I have to look at the instructions. I usually don't, but let's see if I could get this to line up. Anyways, I'll figure that out during the installation. So let's go ahead and install this, and thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Alright, guys, have any questions, leave a like on the video, leave a like on the video, of course. And yeah, you have this little technology right here. So this is kind of what helps out. I believe this little design maximizes your airflow. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this. Alright, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read, life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.